There may be a lot of applications that you keep on using, and to go each time into the start menu and to search for an application may be a bit time consuming. So what you want to do is you want to pin them. So let's scroll around. Let's say I want to use OneNote very much. What I can do is I can pin it onto the taskbar right here. In order to pin it, you can grab any application, click and hold it, and then you can click and drag it onto the start menu right over here, just like this. If you can also click and drag it and keep it on the desktop, and you can click and drag the icon from the desktop over here as well. Now it's not allowing me to actually drag it in here because it is already pinned here. If I want to remove the pinned application, I can simply right click over here and I can click on unpin from taskbar. And from the desktop icon right here, I can simply click and drag and you can pin it out there, just like that, as you can see as well. Another way to pin the application is to actually right click on any of the application, and I can see over here under more, you can see that there's an option called pin to taskbar. So once I click on it, you can see that the application has been pinned to taskbar, just like this. So I can open up any application and then pin it like that as well. So let me just open up something like Paint 3D right over here. So it is already shown up in the taskbar, as you can see right here. If I were to close the application, it goes away. But if I were to go over here and let me open up Paint 3D again, so you can see that it takes quite a bit of time to actually search for the application. If I were to click it, you can see that it is on the taskbar. I can simply right click over here and I can say pin to taskbar. Once I do that, it has been pinned. So if I were to close the application, you can see that it has been pinned onto the taskbar, just like this. So that is how you can pin the icons into the taskbar. And you can also rearrange the space by clicking and holding, just like this. And you can simply drag around the pin icon, just like that. So you can pin it onto the left, onto the right, drag it all the way to the left, click and hold it, drag it all the way to the right. And that is how you can rearrange the application. And it is always suggested that you just keep a limited number of applications right here, because as you add on many icons, they may be very overcrowded. So it's very important and crucial that you only keep the applications that you mostly use in the taskbar. So I don't want these, so I'm just going to right click over here, unpin this from the taskbar, and unpin this from the taskbar as well, and also unpin this one from the taskbar. So that is how you can pin and customize the icons in the taskbar inside of Microsoft Windows 10. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.